Strap in, gentlemen. Today, we dive into jaw-dropping bulldozer feats. Watch an operator defy physics on steep slopes and wobbling ridges. Danger meets skill in every move. The Cat 9. 9.2 G-wheel loader makes coal loading look effortless, thanks to its custom bucket handling over 14 cubic yards per scoop. Watching it fill a 4-axle truck in one pass proves heavy equipment innovation is alive and well. Could any other loader match this pace today? Have you ever seen a backhoe park with such swagger? Sabah slots that machine into the container with the confidence of a stunt driver. No second takes needed. His smooth maneuvers and pinpoint accuracy speak to unrivaled professionalism. Any slip would be a technical hiccup, never operator error, and his skill is truly teacher-worthy. That is a seriously gutsy move that you only see from old-school operators who know their machines inside and out. Trusting your hydraulics to hold your entire machine like that is next-level confidence. It's dangerous, but you have to respect the nerve and the skill involved. A classic case of the center of gravity shifting just a bit too far. A tough lesson in physics and proper loading procedures.
And that is not in fast forward.
Most people would need ramps for that, but not Jake Hatch. He just uses the bucket to climb right up onto the truck. It's really neat to watch someone who is that good at their job. He makes that machine do exactly what he wants. Feast your eyes on these absolute monsters of the mining world. The P&H 4100 XPC and its siblings aren't just big, they're titans. We're talking about scooping up 110 tons in a single bucket. That's like lifting over 60 cars at once. Absolutely mind-blowing. Even the giants can fall. This Komatsu PC1250 hit a soft patch and got stuck fast. But watch the operator. No wasted motion. Pure skill and machine control gets the job done. My hands are sweating just watching this. The ground looks like it could give way any second. That dude has nerves of steel. One wrong move and he's gone. Don't slip, man. Ever rigged a crane to lift a busted bulldozer? What's your checklist to keep the rigging and crew safe?
But he has 4 floats.
He literally parked a 50-ton dozer on a death slope. I've never seen such a boneheaded setup. A classic single-point lift problem on unstable terrain. We solve this with horsepower today. The logistical genius of the ancients moving bigger rocks over hundreds of kilometers without it is simply baffling. The clock is ticking here in Mülheim. The crew has one shot to lift this massive bridge section over a live tram line. With a 500-ton crane, the stakes couldn't be higher. One wrong move, one miscalculation, and this entire operation ends in disaster. The pressure is immense. Hold your breath. An SDLG excavator battles floodwaters, its cab half submerged, clawing for stability in a roaring river. Instead of finding a bridge, this operator is the bridge. Using nothing but his machine's own limbs, he's attempting a dangerous crossing. Will his skill be enough to conquer the gap, or will he end up stuck? Skid Pro's 6-way blade is the ultimate multi-tool on tracks. Grade, level, tilt, and trench with precision that gets any fan's heart racing. This is the moment no operator ever wants to face. A simple loading procedure has turned into a disaster. Now this is a beautiful sight. A full Volvo fleet in perfect harmony. You've got the EC750EL feeding that massive Johnson jaw crusher, while the L260H efficiently moves the screened material. This is Scandinavian engineering at its absolute best, pure operational beauty. Respect to the operator of this John Deere 333D. A compact track loader is nimble, but this maneuver requires incredible finesse. It's a race against the clock. The rains are coming, and this Deere dozer is dead in the water. The recovery crew has one shot to pull it to safety. Can the Cat excavator handle the immense weight before it's too late? A 60-ton Grove. Look at the size of it. This is how giants travel. The Volvo MC90B in its element. For a compact loader, its cycle time is impressive. Look how quickly it fills that bucket and dumps into the truck. Mad respect for the operator in that Hitachi, and props to everyone for keeping a safe distance. Now, let's watch the power. Crunch. The TT4, a legend from the USSR. Look at it, dig in and pull. 40 tons is nothing for this beast. No fancy computers, just raw mechanical might.
А как-то достать еще.
Check out this jaw-dropping Manitou maneuver in Greenland. They floated a 200K loader on DIY pontoons, only for balance to shift, the boom to bite in, and the machine to flip in a thunderous crash. It's a nail-biting balance beam act. With only inches to spare on those narrow ramps, one tiny mistake could spell disaster for this Bobcat S150. Can this operator hold his nerve and stick the landing? Don't blink. The steel beast holds its breath, its powerful arm moving with a surgeon's grace. It carves the earth away, revealing what's hidden, all while protecting the vulnerable men in the trench. It's a silent pact of power and incredible trust. It's the ultimate showdown, metal versus metal. Watch as these mighty Volvo excavators, armed with devastating SAS forks, turn ordinary cars into scrap in seconds. In this arena of destruction, only the strongest machine survives. Behold a machine of mythic proportions, the ACO Super Bulldozer, the largest ever made. Destined for a foreign land, its journey was cut short by politics. Now, this one-of-a-kind titan stands as a silent testament to a dream that never was. For all the experts watching, what do you think is the main cause of this failure?
Серега, пошел!
Нет, нет, стой. О!
An excavator fells a tree, which unexpectedly obliterates the dolphin waxer attachment. The hydraulics withstood the direct hit, a testament to rugged design in the face of job site chaos. Thanks for watching. If today's bulldozer drama blew your mind, hit that like button and subscribe to Green Tech for more heavy equipment thrills. See you next time. Stay safe out there.